Welcome back guys to another video.
Yeah, guys.
Alright, so if you're new to our channel, welcome to the Robbie Squad. I hope that you subscribe to us and click the notification bell so you know whenever we drop a video. And if you're a long time family, welcome back guys.
Yeah.
Alright, so in this video guys, we are going to do some painting.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, so we just have to do with thing and Lucy and all of that. And like we said guys, comment down below if you miss us.
Yeah, you don't know guys.
Yeah.
You don't know the Christmas soon come out and do some little painting. So I'll prep the place first.
Yeah.
Before we start doing the painting. You see? So.
Yeah, so we did a video before this painting our daughter's room. So if we still not clean in a different clothes guys.
Different day.
A different day.
Yeah.
Yeah, different. We just have to put everything I want. Anyways, so stay tuned and watch the video guys. Hope you enjoy this.
Yeah.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 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 'Cause I don't keep them.
We're going to paint our room as well, and we're going to cut up the veranda because we painted last year. So let's stay tuned, guys. Let's stay tuned.
guys, you know we love when we see it, you know?
Same way.
We love the fact that we see where we do it, you know, and trust me, we love that, we love that.
Yeah, and we also welcome all our new subscribers. Welcome, welcome to the gang.
Yeah, look at her daughter, painting the door. She says she's an artist. Lamoy, smile for the camera.
was long overdue because last year we kind of painted out the house and we never get to paint her room and our room and also the bathroom. But we had paint same way, and each time we said we're gonna do it, we never really get the chance. We don't know if I just laziness or we're just busy throughout the entire year. We don't know. Babe, how can we have paint and don't paint our room for the whole entire year? No, think about it. We have paint, babe. Yes, paint was always there. It's just that we never couldn't find the time to do it. So December back again. Okay, make Christmas come. Yeah, she's been on our next. Yeah. So what happened? So we had to. So this is there so far.